In my last video, we talked about MCP, the USB-C port for AI that's changing how artificial intelligence connects to your tools and data. But here's the thing. Concepts are cool. Seeing it actually work is magical. And today, I'm going to show you something that will change how you interact with your Tableau data forever. Imagine typing your question in Claude and getting the answer instantly, without opening a single dashboard, single SQL query, and without even touching Tableau. That's not science fiction. That's what we are building today. We are connecting Tableau Cloud directly to Claude Desktop using MCP. And by the end of this video, you will have your own AI data analyst. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. Let's be honest. As data analysts, we spend too much time doing repetitive tasks. Someone asked, what were our top 5 performing regions last quarter? You know the drill. You first open Tableau, find the right workbook, navigate to the correct view, apply filters, export the data, and maybe create a quick quiz, and finally answer the question. And if they ask a follow-up question, you repeat the entire process all over again. This is the friction that kills productivity. What if instead you could just ask your data question in plain English? What if Claude could become your AI analyst that has instant access to every workbook, every view, every data point in your Tableau Cloud side? That's exactly what the Tableau MCP server enables. It turns Claude Desktop into conversational interface for your Tableau Cloud data. Remember from the last video, MCP is a universal protocol. Today, we are plugging Tableau into that protocol, and you will see why this is a game changer. Before we jump into the setup, let's make sure you have everything ready. You will need only 2 things, and I promise this is simpler than you think. The first one is Claude Desktop. Download it from Claude official website if you haven't already done that. It's free and it's available for both Mac and Windows. The second one is the Tableau Cloud side. You will need an access to Tableau Cloud account from where you can get your personal access token. In this tutorial, I'll be using my personal Tableau Cloud site for the demo. And here is the best part. You don't need to download or install anything. We are using the official Tableau MCP extension that Claude Desktop can fetch automatically. That's it. Let's start with getting Tableau token from our Tableau Cloud side. This is what gives Claude permission to access our data securely. So first of all, log into your Tableau Cloud side if you haven't done it already. And once you do that, click on this profile picture on the top right corner and then go to Account Settings. Then scroll down to the Personal Access token and click a New token. So in this case, I already created a token before, so I will revoke this token and will show you how we can create it from scratch. So first of all, you have to give the token name. So in this scenario, I will give token name as agent and click on create token. And we have to make sure we copy the secret, because if we don't do that, we won't be able to see that again. So copy the secret and press done. So I'm going to save both my token name and token secret in a text file for now. We will need this in few minutes when we configure Claude Desktop. So now let's move on to setting up the Claude connection. In the olden days, you have to clone repositories, run build commands, deal with dependencies, and it was headache. Not anymore. The Tableau team has published an official MCP extension that Claude Desktop can use directly. You don't need to install anything manually, and the magic happens in one configuration file. So let me show you. So first of all, you have to go to Settings on the Claude side. So we click on this section, and on the bottom corner where your name is, click on that and go to Settings. And once you go on to the settings, you will see a section where it says Extensions. Click on that. And here you will see I already have Tableau extension installed on my computer. And if you click on configure, you will see we have server name, which I have already put it there. We have the site name. We have the path name, which we just created on the left-hand side, agent, and the path value. And we just have to click save. So let's go back to extension and let me delete this extension and uninstall. And let's start from scratch. So let me zoom in a little bit, and you will see here in the extension section, you can click on browse extension and you can see all the different extensions, connectors, which you can connect to. But for this demo, we'll be using Tableau extension or Tableau MCP server connector. So we click on that and we click install. And once you click install, it will start installing and it will finish that in a few seconds. And here you have to put the URL of the Tableau server name. But before I do that, I will paste the path value, which I have already copied. So I don't want to copy it again. And I will give the path name, which is agent. And now I will give the site name, which is DataViz Canvas Tableau site. That's my site. And then we have to give the URL. So we will copy it from there and paste it here. But I don't want the entire thing. So we just need it till tableau.com. And once we do that, that's all we need. We click on Save button. And you will see here it's already disabled. What you need to do is click on Enabled. And when you do that, you will go at the bottom and you will see here Tool Permissions. And by default, it is Custom. So you click on Always Allow if you want all of these permissions. And let me zoom in here. And at the bottom, once you click on the tool permissions, so it's the read-only tools, right? So if I click on Custom, you will see here all these permissions are there by default. You can change it to blocked, or if it needs approval. In this scenario, I will keep all of them as enabled. You can say always allow all of them. So basically get data source metadata, list data sources, query data sources, all of these two permissions are enabled. So that's all we need. Let's see what Claude can do with access to my Tableau Cloud site. I have a workbook on crime data in New South Wales, Australia. It has data on different crime categories across various regions and LGAs. So let's start simple. Let's ask Claude to list all the workbooks on my Tableau site. Look at that. Claude is scanning my actual Tableau Cloud site in real time and giving me a list of workbooks. No manual searching, no dashboard navigation. Now let's go deeper. Now let's ask another question that show me the views available in my Crime in New South Wales workbook. Perfect. Claude is listing all the views in my dashboard and workbooks. And in this particular scenario for crime report in New South Wales, Australia, there is only one view. And it is also showing me when it was created and when it was updated. Here's where it gets more powerful. Now, let me ask another question. So let's ask that get the data from the crime reported in New South Wales, Australia view and tell me which crime category has the highest number of incidents. Wow, watch this. Claude isn't just looking at the screenshot. It's pulling the actual data from the view, analyzing it and giving me the answer with context. This is amazing. I didn't even open Tableau. I didn't write any calculation. I just asked. So let's try one more. Let's ask which LGA had the most property crime incidents. Give me top 3. So as you can see, it's not only doing the analysis, it's asking the question. So in this case, it's asking me like check if there is any other views in the workbook that might have crime category breakdown, or look for the data source that might contain detailed information. So I will ask, it already have that information. Please review the data source. So let's see what it comes back with. So that's great. See, after doing multiple analysis and thinking again and again, it found the data source and where it can get the offense category information. And it's again thinking and will give us the outcome in the format we need. Isn't it amazing? That's how Claude is now my AI data analyst. It understands my data structure, it can answer complex questions, and even it can suggest me the follow-up analysis. Look at this, Claude is doing amazing analysis, identifying trends, and present the insights in plain English to me. This is the future. You are not replacing Tableau, you are supercharging it, how you interact with it. You can still create beautiful dashboards, but now for quick questions, for ad hoc analysis, for exploring your data conversationally, you have Claude working as your AI analyst. With Tableau MCP integrated with Claude Desktop, we can now ask questions about Tableau data in plain English. We can get instant answers without opening dashboards. We can analyze, explore, and extract insight conversationally. We can transform Claude into our personal AI data analyst. And we did it with just one configuration file. No coding, no complex installation, no technical expertise required. This is just the beginning. MCP is unlocking a new way to interact with all your tools, not just Tableau. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification with the bell icon so you don't miss my next tutorial. And if you want to support the channel further and help us create more in-depth context like this, consider joining as a member. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.